Okay, it's been a while since I uploaded a hand hop video. I'm going to change things up and start doing more goal of the day or goal of the recording. And I'm changing it from trying to do it every weekday to just doing it 3 times a week. Just because it's more manageable. And like if stuff like last week comes up where I go snowboarding and stuff, it's easier to recover from that. So the goal of today is to try and do 5 hand hops with both hands. It's something I haven't been able to do, I think, ever. The closest I've gotten is 4. So let's try to get that 5 today, and after that I'll do some one-handed hand hops just for the camera to track my progress. So I think my approach is going to be 1 step at a time. So let's try 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then 5. Okay, that was 0. That was 1. 2. 3. Okay. It's harder from here. I think what happened was I held my breath for some reason, and that did not help. Okay. I think I'm already tired. Okay. Let's give myself a small break. So I think one of my biggest issues is that when I'm trying to do more, I think I start rushing it, so my timing becomes like off. So I'm gonna try to take this one a little bit easier and like keep it paced versus like trying to flail around. Let's see how that goes. Okay, that was right about 5, although the last one kind of sucked, but I'm happy about that because that was the first time I ever hopped 5 times. And the whole like pacing thing actually works very well because it prevents me from going unbalanced. The 5th one was definitely more rushed when I did it, but that felt pretty good. Let's see if I can replicate that. Just gotta pace the hops and time things correctly. Okay, that felt more balanced, but I know my technique still could use work because I'm feeling myself kick like this versus this, but not bad. Yeah, the timing thing is definitely the key to doing more hand hops, and I feel like I can translate that concept to my one-handed ones as well. Let's go ahead and actually try. But the issue with my one-handed ones is that I don't have like full balance. So I might fall over if I try to time it. But that's probably better than just rushing it and trying to kick as many times as possible, because I'll never get that balance if I do that. So, okay. Let's just try one. Actually, let's try just balancing first. Okay. Now let's try one. Now let's try two. I did feel myself pretty unbalanced after the hop, so I don't know if the two is going to be clean, but I might as well just try to do two anyways. I'm starting to spin, which is not good. I'm like spinning slightly when I do it. That's how I've been doing it for now, so I have to stop that spin. Just hold it. I guess I'm not up to doing two today, which is fine. Let's go ahead and try one for my left hand too. Okay. That's gonna be it for today. I usually end off or start off with doing the one-handed hand hops, and it makes sense that I don't have as many as I usually do, since it's been about like a full week since I've actually done a full routine or full training routine. But I'm glad I could get the two-handed hand hops at least 5 reps. We're gonna try to keep that up during the actual routine, and each time I record and upload, I'll be trying to go for a new goal. So probably next recording's goal will be holding an L kick for, let's just say, like 3 to 5 seconds. It's kind of hard to time, but I'll probably count out loud, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that'll be for the next time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.